Hello YouTube, this is Lincoln Dude 2 here, and this is how to upgrade your PlayStation 3 Slim hard drive. I just got the Ps3 Slim model from Amazon.com, and I'm gonna switch my hard drive to 320 gig, and I had this baby right here, but fortunately he's not with us anymore, and well, he's gonna change this. Here it goes. Alright, first you have to flip your system over. I don't know if you can see here, but we're gonna take this thing out. Like that. There's gonna be a screw there, so you just get on a regular Phillips screwdriver, and unscrew it. There we go. Next, the system over. Sorry. And we're just gonna slide this thing over. So once you unscrew that screw over there, just gonna push it, slide it to the side, and just take it out. So there. See this? Here you just have to bring this down, and pull it out. Take it out. And this is 250 gig. I'm gonna put a 320 gig on it, just right here. And this part is kind of easy. Just need to unscrew these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it should be able to come out. Alright. Come on. Alright. Now, to come off, should be able to just slide out. Let's see. Alright. Guess not. Alright, so what you're gonna do, see this right here? Hold it from there and hold it from this side. You're just gonna bring it up. Just bring it up. Take it out. Bring the new one in. And just put it like kind of at a degree, and then just like let it go. It should like just fall into it, and flip it over, and there should be some, just put the screws back in. Shoot. Make sure they're tight, but not. Make sure not to strip it. And just last screw, and make sure tight. Alright, now it's ready. We just need to put it back into the PlayStation. So I'm gonna bring this over, and we're gonna do the same as before. Just have to put it, slide it over. Alright, so you just put it, slide it in, and just kind of push it from the sides. There, should be good. And slide this over. In place, flip the system over, screwdriver, one screw, and back in place. And there you go. This is the PlayStation 3 Slim. Thank you for watching.